today let's start with chapter number first, advanced concept of AI. So in this chapter we will study about some advanced concept of artificial intelligence. So let's start with the machine learning first. So we all are living in the world of human and machines. So humans have been learning and evolving from past experience for billions of years. And the era of machines and robot has just begun. आपने देखा है कि एक era आ रहा है machine का, robots का. Let us take an example from cricket. Assume that you are a batsman and you are facing a bowler. भाई आप batsman हो और आप bowler को face कर रहे हो. So, by looking at the bowler's body movement and action, you predict that they move their left or right to hit the ball. But if the bowlers throw a straight ball, what will you do? जो body movement होगा आपका, वो आप find out करोगे. And there are, after two consecutive leg side balls, throw a straight ball and you prepare yourself to face the next ball. और अपने आप को इस तरीके से prepare करते हो कि आप जो next ball आएगी इसको भी face कर सको. So, what is machine learning? It is a discipline that deals with programming that system so as to make them automatically learn and improve with experience. So here learning implies understanding the input data and taking informed decision. जो एक supplied data पे based होगा. So we can say that it is the subset of AI जो क्या predict करता है result, which is based on incoming data. So it is a science of getting computer to act without being explicitly programmed, right? So machine learning algorithm can figure out how to perform important tasks by generalizing from example a University of Washington. So what is machine learning? It is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system an ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. बिना किसी program के. So we can say that it is Arthur Samuel. A machine learning is a field of study. वो क्या कहते हैं? ये एक वो field of study है that gives computer the ability to learn without being programmed. आप सीख रहे हो बिना किसी program के. So it enables people to perform such tasks as predicting the future, classifying things in a meaningful way, making the best rational decision. So the central idea is being machine learning is that you can represent reality by using mathematical function that algorithm does not know in advance. So, but which it can guess after seeing some data. So, let's study about machine learning. It is a tool of achieving AI, right? So, differentiate between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, artificial intelligence, it is a broader concept of machine that would carry out ways in which that we consider it smart. So what is machine learning? It is an application of artificial intelligence which is based around the idea that we should be able to give machine access data and learn the things by themselves. Now the goal is to stimulate natural intelligence to solve complex problem. इसका goal क्या होता है कि आप maximize करो performance of machine को on the given task. It leads to developing system to mimic humans to respond. It involves creating self-learning. जब आप self-learning से create कर. So what are its advantages? Let's study about the advantages. Easily identify trends and patterns. इसका क्या काम होता है कि easily identify करता है सारे trends, सारे patterns, large volume of data और ये discover करता है कि specific trend क्या है, specific pattern क्या है that do not to be apparent to you. So an e-commerce website like Amazon, it serves to understand the browsing behavior and its purchase history of its user to help to cater to the right product. Right? Wide application, it holds the capacity to help deliver in much more personal experience to customer while targeting the right customer in any field. जब आप बिल्कुल right customer को चाहे कोई भी field हो, चाहे वो health care हो, कोई भी field हो, उसको आप क्या करो, tackle करो. नो ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन, इसमें किसी भी तरीके की ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन की नीड नहीं. डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है? डाटा एक्यूशन, मतलब इसमें मैसिव डाटा को हम सेट करते हैं जिससे हम उसको ट्रेन कर सके, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज टाइम एंड रिसोर्स. इट्स टाइम टू बी लेफ्ट एल्गोरिथम टू लर्न एंड डेवलप इनफ जिससे आप जो पर्पस है जिसके लिए आप काम करो उसको आप फुलफिल कर सको. इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ रिजल्ट, ये मेजर चैलेंज है टू डिटरमाइन इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग. यू मस्ट ऑल्सो केयरफुली चूज द एल्गोरिथम ऑफ योर पर्पस. आपको अपने पर्पस के अपने हिसाब से एल्गोरिथम को चूज करना है. Now, what is application of machine learning? So we can say that it can drive the car for you. Companies like Tesla, Google and Uber, they are already investing heavily in driverless car. आप देख रहे हैं वो heavily क्या कर रहे हैं, driverless car जैसे में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. It can detect more than 50 eye diseases. ये आपके 50 से ज़्यादा आई डिजीज को डायग्नोस कर सकते हैं. It can unlock your phone with your face. फेस रिकॉग्नाइजेशन से क्या कर सकते हैं, अनलॉक कर सकते हैं. गूगल डीप माइंड प्रोजेक्ट लाइक एल्फागो कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम है जो एक बोर्ड गेम है जो आपके डिफेक्ट को लाइक वन गो प्लेयर के जी. यूट्यूब रिकमेंड वीडियोस इन अदर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग, जैसे आपने जो भी कंटेंट वॉच करा है, सर्च करा, उसको शो कर. देन वी हैव ऑब्जेक्ट रिकॉग्नाइजेशन इन कंप्यूटर विजन. कंप्यूटर विजन क्या है, इन डिस्प्लिनरी साइंटिफिक फील्ड है वेयर द कंप्यूटर गेन हाई लेवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग from digital video. It includes method of acquiring, processing, analyzing, and understanding digital images, right? Then we have OCR, optical character recognition or reader. ये एक मैकेनिकल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्वर्जन है इमेज ऑफ टाइप हैंड रिटन और प्रिंटेड टेक्स्ट, जो मशीन इनकोडेड टेक्स्ट होता है उसमें, राइट? इट इज स्कैन डॉक्यूमेंट, अ फोटो ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट, अ सीन फोटो और एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम सब टाइटल टेक्स्ट superimposed of an image is an example from a television broadcast. Now speech recognition एक interdisciplinary subfield है of computational linguistics that develops methodologies, technologies जो enable करता है recognition और translation किसका, spoken language का in the text computer. Next is supervised, unsupervised or reinforcement learning. These are the different types of learning. First of all, I will tell you about the supervised learning. So in this method, it enables machine to classify, predict object, problem or situation. जो किस पे बेस्ड होता है, labeled data fed to the machine. जो भी labeled data है machine fed कर रही. With supervised learning, you feed the output of an algorithm into system. This means that in supervised learning, the machine already know कि जो आउटपुट आप algorithm को दे रहे हैं वो उसको कैसे काम करना, उसको पहले से पता होता है, right? So with the output of the algorithm, all that the system needs is to do the work out the steps, and the algorithm is being taught through training data set the guides that machines. Now the goal is to approximate the mapping, right? So well that you now have input data. It is called supervised learning because the process है algorithm learning का from the training data set can be thought of as a teacher supervising the learning process. Now unsupervised learning. What is unsupervised learning? Clean, perfectly labeled data sets are not always. आप देखते हैं कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा जो डाटा सेट्स है, जो क्लीन डाटा सेट्स है वो आपको इजीली अवेलेबल. So they are unsupervised learning, learning from unlabeled data to differentiating the given input. So unsupervised learning is a machine learning technique which the user do not need to supervise. Instead it allows model to work on its own. और आप patterns discover भी कर सकते हैं. In unsupervised learning, the learning model is handed and unlabeled. और जो data set होता है without explicit instruction, what to do with the training data set is a collection of example without a specific desired outcome or pattern. मतलब बिना किसी outcome और बिना किसी pattern का होता है. There is reinforcement learning. So what it is? It is the required value of the output is known explicitly, but the system provide feedback. ये आपको एक फीडबैक देता है जिससे आपको एक आउटपुट मिलता है, राइट? यू गेट आउटपुट फ्रॉम इट एंड स्टूडेंट्स लर्न अबाउट अ स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक, दे रिवाइज एंड दे सिट फॉर एन एग्जाम. देन रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग ये क्या है? फीडबैक बेस्ड मशीन लर्निंग टेक्निक इन विच एजेंट्स लर्न टू बिहेव इन एनवायरमेंट बाय परफॉर्मिंग एक्शंस and seeing results of action. So in the reinforcement learning, agents learns automatically using feedback without label data. इसमें जो डाटा होता है वो बिना किसी लेबल का होता है, right? So we can say that the performance by getting maximum positive reward, the agents learns with the process of hit and trial. इसमें हम hit और trial, hit and trial वाला method use करते हैं. So video games are full of reinforcement cues, complete a level and earn banding. Defeat the bad guy in a certain number and steps into a trap, the game will be over. And without this feedback, बिना इस feedback के, they would just take a random action around the game environment in hopes of advancing to the next level. To make its choices, agent relies both on learning from past feedback and exploration of new tactics. So we can say that in this technique, especially useful of our training robots, which make series of decisions in tasks like steering an autonomous vehicle and managing inventory of the warehouse. So this is machine learning. It is a subset of field that I have told you in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.